there, I'm Shay Rippinger here of Hip the Hoopla, here to give you a quick laughter yoga exercise that is going to be a little bit belly dance inspired and using some laughter yoga as well, so that we get in some good oxygenation into the lungs. We bring all of that good healthy nutrition into the cells, and then we help detoxify the body as we press and exhale all of that out, and then we get some good happy endorphins in there. So without further ado, this is what it looks like. Inhaling it in and then exhaling and laughing it out. Ha 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 ha. Inhaling it and then laughing and exhaling it out. Ha 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 ha. Okay, I'm going to explain that in just a slight bit more detail with you. So what we're doing is I'm facing to the right. I'm dipping down this left shoulder. We're lifting nice and tall in the body. And you can do this kind of walk like an Egyptian, like the Bangles song from the 80s. Walk like an Egyptian. Okay, so we're taking this to the right and inhaling and lifting up. Inhaling this in and lifting up, and then we're going to switch over to the left side, and then that right shoulder is going to dip down as you twist over to the left, and you're exhaling and laughing at the same time. And remember, it's a fake it till you make it laugh. So this doesn't have to be a genuine laugh. You're just laughing it and just being silly with this. Ha 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 ha. So we inhale in on the right, and then we exhale and release and laugh on the left. Let's try that again. Inhale on the right, and then exhale and laugh it out on the left. Inhale on the right, and last time, exhale and release it out on the left. Okay, after that, we're going to shake this out a little bit. Shake out the shoulders, shake out the hands, and you can even move around the neck, head, and shoulders, and the chest. And then at the end of laughter yoga exercises, we take the hands nice and big, wide together, and we take our hands together. Try this twice with me. Very good, yay. And we say that again, very good, yay. And that activates the acupressure points on the hands. So this is a fun little quick laughter yoga exercise that you can do. It is belly dance inspired, hence the snake arms. So you can get fancy with this and do this a little bit more properly, or you can just kind of do this. I'm not going to get all technical on this particular one, so if you want to just do it like that, that's okay. Just turn to the right, turn to the left, turn to the right, turn to the left. Inhale to the right, exhale to the left. So that's all there is to it. I hope you've enjoyed that. You can do this as many times as you like. When it feels like it's too much, then just take a break. So you can do this for a minute if you like. You can do this for a few minutes if you like, and feel how good it feels in your body. And if you know your body better than anybody else, take a break and inject that in your day, like maybe once or twice or 3 times during your day. This is one of the laughter yoga exercises that you can do. I have many more. You can check out my channel, and I have a tutorial playlist of other laughter yoga exercises that you can do. So hopefully you enjoyed this particular one, and you will check out the other ones as well. So thank you so much for joining me. Rock on, peace out. I will see you on the next video. And also check out the Hoop Love Y'all show, where I do a laughter yoga exercise on each Hoop Love Y'all show. I will also link that in the playlist as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.